Hey guys, welcome to another product overview. I'm here with Mark talking about a product I don't know anything about. So what do we got?
Well, we'll change that. This is a pretty simple product,
Okay.
but I tell you, there's a lot of great uses for it. This
Okay.
is a temperature humidity logger.
All right.
Okay, so what this is designed to do, this works with a Windows computer.
Windows only, so not
Just
Mac.
a Windows, not a Mac.
Okay.
You install the software on your Windows computer. This then plugs into the USB port.
All right.
We configure it to say how many samples do we want
All right.
and how often do we want those samples. So this will record temperature and humidity, and it'll calculate dew point.
Oh,
Okay.
all right.
So we have that problem job that the homeowner complains, hey, in the afternoons it's stuffy, or in the mornings we wake up, or, what have you. Rather than having to have a tech constantly go by the house, okay, we can set this up to 16,000 temperature and 16,000 humidity points, okay?
Okay.
And we set how often we have to record. We can either set it to start recording immediately, so if we got a laptop that we do at their house, okay, or if we set this up at the office, there's a button on the back side. We can set up to wait to start till we hit that button.
Okay.
Okay, now we can leave that on site.
All right.
Okay, it has a real-time temperature stamp, so some things do a relative stamp, like an hour, 2 hours,
Sure.
what have you. This gives you date and time.
All right.
So when you set the date and time, you say, hey, on April the 8th at 10 a.m., on April 9th at 11 a.m., okay, what have you. Then we can export that and graph it, so we can find out, is there a pattern?
All right. So at
Okay.
this particular time, there's the humidity level or the dew point
Correct.
levels going higher and figure out. Yeah, I was talking to a contractor the other day, and he was saying he'd rather work based off dew point versus relative humidity because it's a much more accurate look at the house itself and the way it feels. This seems like a really great product to be able to map that over a long period of time.
Yep, absolutely. So maybe you've put a new system in, and the homeowner says, "Man, in the evening, we get home from work and it just seems kind of sticky in here, and where that dew point is high,
Sure.
like you're describing." Oh, maybe we leave this for a few days and find out, everything's okay until about 3:45. And then we find out, the kids get home at 3:30 from school, and if they're like my kids, they're not the best at closing doors, or you start letting the dog in and out, so the doors open and closing.
Sure.
And so you can establish that pattern and find out, hey, what happens? And it's a whole lot less expensive to leave this there for a few days than have a tech constantly going back to
and
check
checking.
and say, hey, what's the conditions now? What's the conditions now? And when he's just trying to random time versus be able to use this instrument to establish a pattern and say, when do we need to go check on it? What's going on?
Yeah, sounds like a great product to be able to help out the homeowner get the comfort they need. Cool. Well, thanks, guys. If you want more information about this product, you can give us a call at 888-652-9663 or go online at jacksonsystems.com to be able to learn all you need to know, pricing, all that type of stuff. Thanks so much. We look forward to talking with you soon.